Good morning to all of you. So I'll be taking your class for first aid. Okay. So yesterday, where did we complete? What did we study yesterday? Anya. Yes, Anya. Are you present? KV, you please read. Yesterday, what did we complete?
First aid in emergency situation. Burn. Burns are one of the most common household injuries, especially among children. The term burn means more than the burning sensation associated with injury. Burns are categorized by severe skin damage that causes the affected skin cells to die. The degree of severity of most burns is based on the size and depth of the burn. Electrical burns, however, are more difficult to diagnose because they are more capable of causing significant injury beneath the skin without showing any signs of damage on the surface. Sunburns and small scales can be treated at home. Deep or widespread burns or chemical or electrical burns need immediate care, often at specialized burn unit. Definition of burn. According to WHO, a burn is an injury to the skin or other organic tissues primarily caused by heat or due to radiation, radioactivity, electricity, friction, or contact with chemicals. Skin injuries due to ultraviolet radiation, radioactivity, electrical or chemicals, as well as respiratory damage resulting from smoke inhalation are also considered to be burns. Degrees of
Wait.
burn.
Okay, let me ask someone else. Subhash, please read out the degrees of burn. First degree of burn. Yes, Subhash.
Ma'am,
First degree of burn.
my network is so poor, ma'am. I not listen to this.
Yes.
My network is problem, ma'am. Then I not return to office.
You didn't write.
Yes,
Kajal. Kajal Kumari, you please read the first degree of burn. Kajal,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the first degree of burn.
First degree of burn. First degree of burn causes minimal skin damage. They are also called superficial burn because they affected the outermost layer of skin. Signs of first degree burn include redness, minor inflammation or swelling, pain, dry peeling skin occur, the burn heals. Since the burn affected the top layer of skin, the sign and symptoms disappear once the skin cell shed. First degree burn usually held within 7 to 10 days without scarring. First degree burn usually treated with home care. Healing time may be quickly the sooner we treat the burn. Treatment for a first degree burn include soaking the wood Put in cold water for 5 minutes or longer. Taking acetaminophen or
Finish. Tulunga Nursery, what do you understand by scales that you have written yesterday? Scale, what is the meaning of scale? Tulunga Nursery. What do you understand by scales? Nafishisha syndrome.
yes, ma'am.
What do you understand by scales?
Ma'am, they are thermal burns and they are caused by something wet or by hot water or steam.
Okay. Okay then. And what do you mean by inflammation? Tachyometry. Hmm? Please say fast. Tachyometry. What do you understand by inflammation? Simon De Burma. Simon, you tell me what do you mean by inflammation?
Ma'am, I was absent yesterday.
You are absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, my nerves too not good, so I am absent.
Gordas, what do you mean by inflammation? Yes, Gordas.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by inflammation?
I don't know, ma'am. Doctor.
Yes. Just say fast. We have to start the class also, no? Sajarika De Burma.
Production करूँ?
Hmm?
और देर न थे तो आज समझ जाता है.
Saurav, you say, what do you mean by inflammation?
Swelling.
Yes. When the wound swells and becomes red in color, it is known as inflammation. Okay. So, first degree burn that you have known, it is a minor. It is a minor degree burn. Okay. It won't affect your cells and tissues. It will just affect the outer portion of your skin. Okay. So today we will be studying about the second degree burn. I will share it the screen. No, I will share it. Write down number 2, second degree burn. Please write down second degree burn. Second degree burn, number 2. Put a dash and write down. Second degree burns are more serious. Second degree burns are more serious. S-E-R-I-O-U-S are more serious. Are more serious because the damage because the damage, DMAG, because the damage extends beyond the top layer of the skin. Extends beyond, BYOND, extends beyond the top layer of the skin. Extends beyond the top layer of the skin. Full stop. This type of burn causes the skin. This type of burn causes the skin. This type of burn causes the skin to TO2 to blister, 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 to blisters and become extremely red and becomes extremely red and becomes extremely red and sore, 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 becomes extremely red and sore, full stop. Change the paragraph and write down some blisters, 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 open a bracket, so some blisters, and then open a bracket, you write down the meaning of blisters, you write an area of skin, skin, an area of skin covered by, COVERED, covered by a raised, 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 comma, fluid filled bubble, UWBLE, bubble, fluid filled bubble. Sometimes in your fingertips and all, you'll be able to see a fluid. It's so hard when you touch. In your fingers, sometimes white coloration of fluid filled sac used to form in your fingers and all, okay? Fingers, sometimes toes. So that is known as blisters. You can see in the Google images, you will come to know what are blisters, okay? So some blisters, then close the bracket. The meaning is, you have written the meaning, you just close the bracket and then pop open, pop, POP, pop open, comma, giving the GIVING, giving the burn, 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 wet or WET, wet or whipping, WEEPING, whipping appearance, wet or whipping appearance, wet or whipping, WEEPING, whipping appearance. Full stop. Over time, thick, comma, thick, 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 over time, thick, 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 comma, soft, 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 comma, scab, SCAB, scab-like tissues, called, 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 fibrinous, FIBRINOUS, fibrinous exudate may develop over the wound. Fibrinous exudate, exudate may develop over the wound, WOUND, wound. Open a bracket and write down scab, SCAB, scab. Put a dash and write down the meaning of scab, and put a dash and write down protective tissues, protective tissues covering that forms after the skin has been damaged. That forms after the skin has been damaged. That forms after the skin has been damaged. When the skin gets damaged because of burn, there will be a layer. Okay, the protective tissue that is known as scab, it will cover the wound. Okay, after the burn takes place. So that is known as scab. Then number 2, you write fibrinous exudate. Write down the meaning of fibrinous exudate. Fibrinous, F-I-B-R-I-N-O-U-S, fibrinous exudate, E-X-U-D-A-T, fibrinous exudate. Put a dash and write down. Put a dash and write down the large amount of fibrin in the fluid. Large amount of fibrin, F-I-B-R-I-N, fibrin in the fluid. Fibrin in the fluid, F-L-U-I-D, fluid can form a fibrinous exudate. Can form a fibrinous exudate on the body cavity surface. On the body cavity surface. When large amount of fibrin, it is known as fibrinous exudate. Okay, it will form around in the body cavity, the surface of the body cavity. So that is fibrinous exudate. Full stop. Now change the paragraph and write down some second degree burns. Change the paragraph and write down. During exam, you don't need to write down the meaning of all these things. Okay, scab, fibrinous exudate, you don't need to write the meanings. Okay, it's just for your understanding. It's for you. It's not for the. It's not for writing during your exams. It's not required. Some second degree burns take longer. L-O-N-G-R. Take longer than 3 weeks. Take longer than 3 weeks. Longer than 3 weeks. Take longer than 3 weeks to heal. To heal, comma, but most.
Ma'am, an organ take longer
than 3 weeks. 3 weeks, T-H-R-E-E, 3 weeks. It takes more than 3 weeks, okay? More than 3 weeks to heal,
then 3 weeks.
Huh?
Oh.
3 weeks to heal.
Okay, ma'am.
H-E-A-L, heal. To get better, heal, okay? Comma. But most heals within 2 to 3 weeks. But most heals within 2 to 3 weeks without scarring. Without scarring. Without scarring, S-T-A-R-R-I-N-G, without scarring, comma, but often with pigment, P-I-G-M-E-N-T, but often with pigment changes to the skin. C-H-A-N-G-E-S, pigment changes to the skin, skin. Put a full stop, open a bracket, and write down scarring, S-C-A-R-R-I-N-G, scarring. Scarring is the growth of G-R-O-W-T-H. Scarring is the growth of tissues, T-I-S-S-U-E-S, tissues, marking the spot marking the spot, S-P-O-T, spot, where the skin has healed after the injury. Where the skin has healed after the injury. Means there will be growth of tissues. Okay, wherever the injury wound has taken place, when it gets healed, there will be scarring, the growth of new tissues. Okay. So that is the meaning of scarring. These things, it's only for your understanding. Please don't write during your exams. Okay, scarring and all that. It's just for you. Full stop. Then you change the paragraph and write down. Treatments for a mild second degree burn generally includes treatments for a mild, mild. Treatments for a mild second degree burn generally includes mild second degree burns generally include mild second degree burns generally include INCLUD include. At a share, I will share one screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have written this, no? Treatments for a mild second degree burn generally includes. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 points. You please write down these 3 points. Please write these 3 points. Number 1 is running the skin under cool water for 15 minutes. Number 2 is taking over-the-counter pain medications that are acetaminophen or ibuprofen. The third one is applying antibiotic creams to the blisters. You have to apply antibiotic creams. Oh, finish. Finish writing these 3 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish writing. So first point for treatments, what would you do? You will have to running the skin under cool water. Okay, the tap water should be on. Okay, cool water, and the skin should be allowed to cool for 15 minutes or longer. Either 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes. Number 2 is taking over-the-counter pain medications like, for example, acetaminophen and ibuprofen. The third is applying antibiotics to the blisters. Okay. So, what is acetaminophen? Yesterday also I told you, John Dick. What is acetaminophen? What is the other name of acetaminophen?
With ibuprofen.
What?
Ibuprofen. Ibuprofen or what?
Forgot?
Ibuprofen.
No.
Ibuprofen or
Acetaminophen, or what is the other name of acetaminophen? Anya? You are not attentive in the class. Ania? Ania, do you know the answer? Rinku Moni Barman? Srijana, do you know the answer? The other name of acetaminophen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Paracetamol.
it? What?
Paracetamol.
Yes, good. So what is the, for what do we use acetaminophen? What is the action? It
Ma'am,
is used
for reducing fever.
uh-huh.
For reducing fever and
Yes, pain, fever, okay. Ibuprofen is used for? Ibuprofen is also same, okay. Pain, fever and inflammation. Okay, these three things. Whereas paracetamol is for, paracetamol or acetaminophen is for pain and fever. Okay. So these are the things for your second degree burn. Next, you write down the third degree burn. Number 3, write down third degree burn. Number 3, third degree burn. Please write this. Wait. What is happening? Wait. Please write down this third degree burn. But you don't write this line, okay? Excluding 4th degree burns. You please don't write this. First, excluding 4th degree burns, please don't write that. You write down 3rd degree burns are the most severe. You write down from 3rd degree burns are the most severe. Full stop. They cause the most damage, extending through every layer of skin. Finish?
No, ma'am.
Have you finished?
No,
Finish?
ma'am.
No, last one. Last one. Last two
Yeah.
was left.
Acha, you do one thing. You please join again. Okay. Less than 1 minute is left, so you please join again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.